Okay, my name is Muhammad Fali bin Osman. I'm a AE Assistant Engineer in Wheelset shop. I've been in SMRT for 14 years.
Hi, my name is Theodore Pegasam. I'm a technical officer in SMRT. I've been working here for about 3 years. I'm also attached to Wheelset shop.
For heavy maintenance in train overhaul, the corrective maintenance is done by us. Heavy lifting in workshop machinery, such as bogie frame, wheelset, and SO box.
So, some of the few day-to-day challenges that we face involve handling large components such as the bogie frame. These components need to be carefully lifted to access parts like the wheelset, gearboxes, and wheels. The process is precise and safe for staff, and we need to ensure that our maintenance tasks are done safely and professionally. We keep to strict safety protocols while maintaining the highest standards of operational efficiency. So the main difference is KHI uses a chevron spring design, while KSF utilizes a coil spring system. So this is the chevron spring. This is the primary suspension system for our older fleet of trains, like our KHI trains. So the chevron spring consists of metal and rubber. So for our maintenance, it is important for us to check the bonding of the rubber to check if there's any crack or rubber peeling. Regular and thorough inspections are important to prevent breakage or peeling.
Okay, this is for our newest spring for KSF A, B, and C. For our KSF fleet, the coil spring system is the primary suspension design. Because of the improved design, the coil spring system is easier to maintain and inspect. Most importantly, we check for the spring, for the crack, and to make sure protective coating is okay. For the KHI train, there are multiple steps and components. So we start with removing the axle box to access the journal bearing for servicing. After we extract the bearing, we pass to the servicing center to degrease the bearing. And then after that, we wash. Then it is thoroughly inspected for any sign of discoloration, pitted, crack. We then perform precise measurement to ensure that C clearance and bore diameter are within the acceptable tolerance. For SMRT measurement, we measure for the bore recess and out of roundness. If any part fail to meet our strict criteria, we replace it to ensure optimal performance.
This is the station where we do the preparation for our front and back covers. We carefully prepare the front and rear covers by replacing the O-rings, applying light grease and applying anti-rust coatings to ensure longevity and performance.
Okay, now we're going to install our axle box. First, we clean up the shaft. Once the axle shaft is clean, we apply an epoxy coating to the axle shaft. The sealing coiler is then heated and installed, followed by the journal bearing, which is also heated for proper installation. After cooling down, we pump grease into the bearing before we install the axle box and front cover securely. Finally, we install the chevron spring, completing the assembly process before handing it over to the bogie shop. This is the heavy lifting that we do for mounting a bogie frame to the axle. For the KHI train, during the mounting of the bogie frame, we carefully align the chevron spring with the axle. The bogie frame sits on the chevron spring, secure on top of the axle box. Everything is held in place by its weight.
For KSF trains, the trains use the coil spring system. The bogie frame is securely placed on the axle box and fastened with a hanger height plate. The plate is tightened with bolts and nuts to ensure the assembly is secure. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you more insight into the care and precision that goes into maintaining our fleet.
SMRT is committed to providing a safe, reliability and comfortable service for our commuter.